though meron na kaming idea about in-between, paano siya pumasok dito, yung in-between dito sa kwento ng pelikula. Kasi from there, pwede na akong magtanong about anything. Direct.
So the concept in between, no? So lahat tayo may preference, no, in life. Kung sino yung papakasalan natin or magiging jowa natin. So si Diego, naghahanap siya ng champagne. No? Yun yung character niya, naghahanap siya ng champagne. But, nung pumunta sa kanya, beer, which is si character ni Sue. And alam niya na ayaw niya pakasalan. Maybe it's just for in between. But again, in the end, preference can change. So yung alcohol niya, liquor of choice, siya nag-change na rin. So let's see kung magkakatuluyan sila dito sa pelikula sa in-between. So yun yung concept of in-between na movie.
Your role, Sue and Diego.
Oh, I'll be playing Gayla. Thank you for asking. Kung ano, yun lang natin ma-explain yung mga role natin. Ako po dito si Gayla, as si Direk said, ang choice of alcohol ko ay beer. So, dito po sa pelikula, sinajudge yung mga tao sa base sa kung ano yung pinipili nilang alak. So, ako, dahil beer, strong on the outside, pero soft naman talaga. May mga pinagdadaanan din on the inside. Yung character ko si Gayla, she's very eclectic. Raketera siya, ang dami niyang ginagawa sa buhay. Actually, hindi lang siya eclectic at raketera, hindi niya talaga pamahanap kung ano yung gusto niya. Parang she's still lost. That's why maybe nag-put up siya dun sa in-between na status ng relationship because meron pa siyang hinahanap, may kulang pa sa sarili niya, kaya hindi pa siya maka-fully commit. So maybe I think that's why she chose to opt for an in-between relationship. Ano ba? Si Gayla, marami siyang mga bubog sa buhay na ayaw niyang ikwento, ayaw niyang ilabas. Gusto niya sarili na lang, ayaw niyang humingi ng tulong sa ibang tao. Feeling niya magiging pabigat siya. So, lahat ng yun, kumbaga na nahanap niya yung in-between niya, lahat ng yun na-resolve, pero hindi pa rin siya sure sa mga kung ano yung gusto niya. So, confused talaga. Si Gayla, I think yung character ko is very confused. She doesn't know what to do with her life. As ako din naman. Sa edad na to, parang ang dami natin gustong gawin, dami natin gustong itry, pero hanggang ngayon hinahanap pa rin natin kung ano yung para sa akin.
So confused ka ba?
Oo naman po, ang dami ko pang gustong gawin sa life. Gusto ko rin, like, syempre, artista po ako ngayon, nag-teatro po ako last year, yung mga gayong tipo po ng mga bagay na...
Pero when it comes to relationship, hindi ka confused.
I'm so confused. Okay.
So sure na sure ka?
Sure na ako.
Kasi di ba it's all over your IG and IG of Togo. So anticipated mo na kung ano yung pwede namin.
Parang alam ko na.
Sige, si Diego muna before going back to you.
Before going back? Sorry, what am I asking?
Your role.
Oh, my role, I play Shane. So Shane is a very specific guy. Alam niya yung gusto niya gawin sa buhay. Complete opposite ng kay Gayla. Ako naman, my alcohol is dirty martini, stirred, not shaken. So hindi tayo James Bond dito. Stirred, not shaken with 3 olives. So he's very specific, like his alcohol. He wants it perfectly with a frosted glass. His life also, he wants it like that. So ano ako, I like to control things. I wanna be able to control things, and I think that if I can, I'll get what I want. Pero like what Direk said, preferences change, especially with we're all victims of circumstance. That's life naman talaga. You can't control. You can plan a picnic, but you can't predict the weather, kind of thing, right? So everything changes for me when I meet Gayla because she's beer. I don't expect naman na I'll like her. I don't expect naman na I'll get anything serious from this person. But it changes because I start to like her, and then the in-between is not something I want anymore. I want something more. And of all the girls or women that I come across, she's just the perfect one for me. So I guess ganun talaga sa life eh. Like January you plan you want to do this, and then come mid-March you want something else. And that's exactly what my character portrays. More about me, I guess I can say not such a good relationship with the parents, which is very today's generation. But I'm very passionate about bartending, and that's why I compare every single girl I meet to a certain type of alcohol. want my dreams to come true, but I don't know how to do it. I don't have the balls to push through with my dreams, and that's where Gayla comes into play.
Have you ever caught in a situation of in-between? Nag-break or nawalan kayo ng relasyon, Sue and Diego?
Have we ever?
Yes, in-between sa relationship. Nagkaroon ba ng gano'n na in-between? Kaya medyo hindi naging successful ang relationship o hindi nagtuloy-tuloy ng matagal.
I think maybe I wanted something serious, but then the girl I was just in between. Maybe, probably. Yes, I'll just say it.
So, dumating ka sa point na meron nagkaroon ng in-between sa relationship before.
Ako parang hindi ko mga personal.
Okay. Sabi ganon, kung paano mo gusto kang mahalin, paano mo ba gusto kang mahalin ngayon ng jowa mo?
Jowa ko.
Oo. Alam naman
I
natin na,
think naman po ang mga babae, pag nagmahal yan, kung ano yung pinapakita niya po sa tao, yun din po yung mga gusto niya ma-achieve, o makuha from that person. So kung maalaga ka sa tao na yun din yung gusto mo na makuha from him or her. Kung napapatawa mo siya, gusto mo, napapatawa ka din niya. So, reciprocation lang po talaga. I think mirroring your partner is the best way to make them feel loved.
with relation ka na Suha, paano mo i-describe yung relationship mo with Dominic niyo? Kasi parang, hindi ba kasi,
Super.
parang ang saya lang.
Ang saya lang! Oh, actually,
Ang
yun po,
saya lang.
tama po yung sinabi niyo, ang saya lang. Yung pressure, yung masaya lang kami talaga, lumalabas kami. We enjoy our time together, we explore, we go on adventures, we eat the best food together. So I think foundation din po in starting a relationship should be finding out kung ano yung mga interests niyo, kung swak ba yung mga interests niyo. So far po, parang swak.
Kapati ka sa kanya, no? Kasi nakikita ko, pag inuman, parang okay na okay, mati mo
Ano
gano'n.
ba yung video na halos nakasabit na ako sa
Oo,
isip
parang
niyo?
kulang, parang wala kang pake.
Oo,
So,
yes.
nag-enjoy lang kayo dalawa.
Oh, tama.
We're happy for you, Sue.
Thank you po. Salamat. I'm happy for me.
Ikaw naman, Diego, kumusta naman ang status ng relationship mo now?
With who?
Marami ba?
No, my life has been so boring.
Wala talaga?
Di ba nakapanibago guys? Wala kayong
Oo.
inaano sa akin. It's different now, bro. I mean, I'm happy for Sue, but I'm also very inggit kay Sue.
So wala?
Ah?
Wala ngayon?
Wala. If you know somebody, please introduce them to me. I'm on the market, I'm available. Please,
Totoo yan, ha?
let them know. Guys, if you I'm kidding.
Thank you.
I guess my relationship right now, numero uno, is my daughter. But syempre, that's different. I'm there for my daughter, but it's also nice to feel loved by somebody. Iba pa rin yung feeling na, yun nga, I mean, if there is somebody I'm talking to, siguro yung kulang lang is the reciprocation talaga. If you don't see that, if you don't find that in that person, nawawalan ka rin, parang, is this one-sided? Is this worth the time? Will I get anything out of this? Are we just wasting time? Will I be in the tabloids in a couple months because nasira na naman tong relasyon nito? I don't know. Am I gonna find out? Maybe, probably. Let's see. I don't know anymore. Like my character, I think talaga you shouldn't try and control everything because the more you do, the more you lose control. So right now, I'm just going with the flow. But again, if you do know anybody, please send them my number. Please, 24/7, I will respond.
Thank you, Diego. Thank you, Sue.
Thank you. That was Ray Pumaloy of Abante Living. Up next, for our next batch, please do stand by Erwin Ogawa of Manungana, Romel Gonzalez of PEP, Nurse Alma of GMA Entertainment, Jacob Manana, the TikTok content creator, and Roland Castro of Abante Tonight. Our next question will be coming from Erwin Ogawa of Manungana.
Hello Sue and hello Diego.
Hello.
Okay, so congrats in advance sa inyong bagong movie. So, na-mention niyo earlier na malaking factor yung alak sa movie, di ba? So, in real life, ano ang role ng alak o naging role ng alak sa buhay niyo? Sue and
Oo,
Diego.
laki na naging role ng alak sa buhay ko. Parang 6 years po akong naging endorser ng gin.
Yes.
And lahat ng tao umiinom ng gin, tinatag ako sa Instagram, sa Facebook, sa lahat. So, I think ang laki ng part ng alak sa buhay ko. Bukod doon, of course, we drink when we're sad, we
Yeah.
drink when we're happy.
Yeah.
For all occasions nga talaga siya, parang siya yung best friend.
Yes.
na hindi ka i-judge at hindi nagsasalta. Pero ilalabas lahat ng emosyon mo, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka din.
Correct.
Masaya po. Your relationship ko with alcohol is fun. It's occasional. I don't drink all the time. But when I do, I really party.
Good answer.
We have a lot of fun.
Diego.
Ako po, wala akong answer kasi hindi ako may
Ah,
Di talaga ako.
serious?
Never. Virgin pa. Virgin pa. My relationship with alcohol, it's a love-hate relationship. I love it, it hates me. I don't know how to explain this. I avoid it as much as I can, but as the same, when I drink, I know how to have a good time. I'm the life of the party. Or at least I think I'm the life of the party. Everyone just hates me. One of the two. I don't know. But yeah, drinking's fun. Drink is definitely fun. I hope you get my humor, guys. I'm joking, okay?
Let's drink to that.
Yeah, you have a shot there, bro. You have a shot by any chance. Derek, how's your relationship with alcohol?
Yes, Direk.
Ako, drinking in your 30s, at least alam ko na magkaka-hangover ako if I reach a certain limit. And it's really important na alam mo yung limits mo, but I do enjoy a great cocktail. So, yeah.
Or 10.
Or 10?
Yeah, or 10.
Or 15.
Not no, 50.
Okay, thank you. And we back sa movie.
Thank you. That was Erwin Ogawa of Ananganap. Up next, we have Romel Gonzalez of PEP.
Yes, hi. My questions are for Diego and Sue. Ano yung paborito yung eksena sa pelikula without spoilers, ha? Yung talagang pinaka-paborito niyang eksena sa pelikula.
Ako, really, the scene that I absolutely love, when, di ko muna, the staircase. I can't say, I can't say what, basta, aminan ng feelings. I feel like Sue is such a veteran actress already that, god damn, after this is sabi ko, damang-dama ka yun, Sue, ang galing mo talaga. And it's fun working with somebody like Sue because you bounce off of your co-actors' emotions, right? So it's never hard for me because ang galing ni Sue. So it's not, I don't have to like invent a scenario in my mind. I can just take off of her and then add my own reactions. And actually, the whole movie was like that. But for me, number one, yung staircase.
Oo. Gusto ko rin yung staircase, pero sige, I'd have to say the iyak tawa scene. Okay, so may eksena doon na iyak tawa. I think yun yung favorite ko. Shooting it, ang bilis lang namin, nakuha agad ni Direk kung ano yung shots na gusto niya. Si Diego, lagi niya sinasabi na magaling ako and he feeds off of my energy, but it's also the other way around. I wouldn't have done those very hard scenes without your help. And yeah, ang saya po sa set namin, it's so collaborative. When something doesn't work, inuulit namin. We have, parang may platform kami to make mistakes. And we really appreciate Direk na talagang he really cooperates with us kung saan kami okay. But kailangan nyo abangan yung tawa na eksena maganda yun.
And
Yung to add lang kay Diego, the reason why yun yung favorite scenes yung staircase is because I gave them the freedom to create a scene. Sabi ko, parang malaki na kayo, gawin nyo yan. You don't even have to look at the script, just create the scene. So I think that's one of the strongest scenes that we did together because they were very collaborative in that particular part.
And last na lang sa inyong dalawa ulit. Kasi you're very good friends, di ba? Tapos meron kayong intimate scenes. Is it easy or is it hard na may intimate scene kayo and you're very good friends?
Sagot na po to. But yeah, for me po, since we grew up in the industry, I think it's easier for us because we know each other, mas alam namin yung comfort zone ng isa't isa. I know na we're safe kami sa isa't isa. So I think for me, it's easier because we're friends.
Diego, sa intimate scenes yung mga intimate scenes
What crossed your mind? Bakit naisip? Why are you thinking the same thing? I hate you. That answers your question. No, hindi kami nahihirap. I had a hard time. I had a really hard time.
Oh my God.
No, not like that. Not like that. I had a hard time because I guess for a moment it was. Para sabi ko, Sue, did we really just do that? And then, hindi kami okay, of all the projects I've done, hindi kami nagpa-play back. We don't rewatch our scenes. Sabi, Direk, can we see what we did? Wag na. Oh, trust me. Sabi ko, okay, we put all our trust in you, okay na to. Panurin mo na lang sa sinehan. Okay, ganun na lang. But it wasn't hard. It was, but then it wasn't. Don't worry. I'm kidding, it's a joke.
Thank you guys. Congratulations.
Thank you. That was Romel Gonzalez of PEP. For our next question, we have Nurse Alma of GMA Entertainment.
Hello, good afternoon. For Sue and Diego, if you were, for Sue na lang muna, if you were to liken yung relationship mo with your boyfriend sa alcohol, ano siya?
Ooh, that's a question.
Bakit?
Anong alcohol siya at bakit? I think siya ay tequila. Mapapasayaw ka sa saya. Diba tequila makes you dance? Tequila siya. And may gusto pa ako sabihin. Sa healthy yung tequila. Agave yun. So,
Malakas ang benefit.
malakas ang tama. Mainit sa katawan. Hoy! Charot na. Lahat naman nakala mainit sa katawan. Hoy talaga. Tequila siya.
Okay, for Diego, kung sa next relationship mo, ano gusto mong type ng girl na i-describe mo through yun nga, type of alcohol?
Alright, no. Yeah, okay.
Wait.
Long Island iced tea. No, I think right now in my life I'm looking for whiskey. Something that you have to drink slowly. You know, get the flavors of whatever oak it was casted in. Something you can't down, you can't chug. You have to enjoy the drink, take it slower else you get too drunk right away. And I think I want that stability in my life. If I do find, I mean, yeah, if I do find it. Not that I haven't found her, I just don't know if she's the whiskey. But yeah, that's what I want. Something chill. Dude, I'm 30. I don't know. I said it. I'm 30 this year, but I'm not getting any younger, you know? I'm 30 now. I'm not looking for wang wang anymore. I'm not looking for Long Island iced tea anymore. Sometimes tequila's fun also, and vodka, but I think something you can sip on like whiskey would be nice. For a change, no?
For my second question, meron bang chance sa inyo in real life na parang yung nangyari sa movie na parang yung gusto nyo ay ganitong type of alcohol and then later on you realize, okay pala ako sa beer?
Yeah, definitely. Ako po, dati, I hated beer. As in, syempre, mas bagets pa ako nun. Pero, well, eto ngayon, kung tatanungin niyo ako, ang choice of alcohol ko talaga ay beer.
Pero in relation,
Sorry.
Nadaling sa relasyon.
Kinakabit pa namin sa alcohol. Hindi.
Hindi, like, parang, ito yung idea nyo ng relationship and then you realize, okay na pala ako sa ganito.
Ay, ang preferences naman po ng tao, palaging nagbabago yan eh. It's your dedication and yung paninindigan mo sa choice mo, yun yung nagpamatter. So sometimes, gusto mo ng ibang alak, pero committed ka dito eh. Ito na yung pinili mo, kumbaga. So, mag-stick ka na dyan. Kasi bukas, kung minom ka pa ng ibang alak, may hangover ka for sure.
Love it.
Oh, but stick to one alcohol for the night. Tomorrow you won't get a hangover. And I think that's also how it is for relationships. Walang sakit ng ulo kung sa isang tao ka lang pagkaan.
How about you?
Don't know. I really don't. I think I've stood in front of you guys before and said, I don't want a relationship. It's 2 months later you see me with somebody on social media. So at this point in time, I'd like to I plead the fifth and I'd just rather not say anything because it always changes. I think I know what I want, but let's see. Sometimes kasi you think this person will take you seriously. For all you know, ikaw pala yung in between nila. Diba? It's like that.
Thank you.